Dear students, in this video we are continuing with the sums of exercise 5.3 of the lesson straight line. Question number 5b. Find the equation of the line passing through the origin and parallel to AB, where A is ordered pair 2, 4 and B is ordered pair 1, 7. Now, here the required equation of the line is passing through the origin and the parallel to the given line AB. So, first we will find the slope of AB. Then the same slope will be equal to the slope of the required line. So, slope of AB is 7 minus 4 upon 1 minus 2. That is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 we will get minus 3. So, the slope of the required line is also will be equal to minus 3. So, and also the line passing through the origin. So, we have the equation y is equal to mx where m is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to minus 3x is the required equation. Now question number 5f, find the equation of the line passing through the origin and which bisects the portion of the line 3x plus y is equal to 6. Intercepted between the coordinate axes, that is the line passing through the origin and which bisects the portion of the line 3x plus y is equal to 6. So line 3x plus y is equal to 6 intersects the x-axis at A and y-axis at B. Then for A, that is order y is equal to 0 because on the x-axis y is equal to 0. Therefore, 3x plus y equal to 6 means 3x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 2. So, the point on x-axis is ordered pair 2, 0. Similarly, we will get the point on y-axis also. On y-axis, x is equal to 0. So, from this equation, 3 into 0 plus y is equal to 6 means y equal to 6. So, the point on y-axis is b is equal to 0, 6. Then, let P is the point bisects the, that is P of xy is the point bisects the portion of the line between coordinate axes, and then the point P is the midpoint of AB, and we have the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So, we have the point A and B. So, its midpoint is ordered pair 1, 3. Now, the required line is passing through the origin and through the point P 1, 3. Then we have the two-point form of the equation, that is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Therefore, substituting the values, we will get y minus 0 upon x minus 0 is equal to 3 minus 0 upon 1 minus 0 is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3x or 3x minus y is equal to 0 is the required equation. Question number 8. The vertices of a triangle are A ordered pair 3, 4 and B ordered pair 2, 0 and C ordered pair minus 1, 6. Find the equations of the lines containing the median AD. Now, since AD is the median, D is the midpoint of BC. Look at the diagram and understand it. AD is the median and it passes through the point D. Means D is the midpoint of BC. So, we can find out the coordinate of D using the midpoint formula. That is minus 1, 2 minus 1 upon 2 and 0 plus 6 upon 2. 2 plus minus 1 it is. So, 2 minus 1 upon 2, 0 plus 6 upon 2. That is 1 upon 2 and 3 are the coordinates of D. Now, we know the median passes through the point A and D. Therefore, we can use the two-point form of the equation for finding the equation of the median. So, substituting the values, y minus 4 upon x minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 4 upon half minus 3 by taking A as ordered pair x1, y1 and D as ordered pair x2, y2. Then on simplification, we will get the right hand side as minus 1 upon minus 5 upon 2. That will become 2 upon 5 by taking the reciprocal. So, y minus 4 upon x minus 3 is equal to 2 upon 5. Now, cross multiply the denominators. So, 5 into y minus 4 that is 5y minus 20 is equal to 2 into x minus 3 that is 2x minus 6. So, 2x minus 5y plus 14 is equal to 0 is the required equation. Question number 9. Find the x and y intercept of the following lines. We'll take the question B and C. Question B, 3x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to 1. And we compare this equation as x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 by making the coefficient of x and y as 1. So, we will take 3x upon 2 can be written as x upon 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 is nothing but by taking the reciprocal it will become 3 upon 2 with the x. So, x upon 2 upon 3, then 2y upon 3 can be written as y upon 3 upon 2, which is equal to 1, and in place of a and b we have 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 2 respectively. So, the x intercept is 2 upon 3 and y intercept is 3 by 2. And the third one C, that is 2x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. So, we have to convert this equation in the form of x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. So, first we will write 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 12, and 2x upon, we will take this minus 12 in the denominator. So, 2x upon minus 12 minus 3y upon minus 12 is equal to 1, and 2 can be cancelled from numerator and denominator here. So, it will be x upon minus 6, and here 3 can be cancelled. So, and minus of minus will be plus also. So, y upon 4 is equal to 1. So, this is of the form x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. So, when we compare, we can get that the x-intercept a as minus 6 and b, that is y-intercept as 4. Question number 12. Find equations of altitudes of the triangle whose vertices are A 2, 5, B 6, minus 1 and C ordered pair minus 4, minus 3. Now, look at the diagram. We have triangle ABC and their vertices, and AD is the altitude to the side BC, and CF is the altitude to the side AB, and BE is the altitude to the side AC. Now, first we will find the equation of the altitude AD. Now, AD is perpendicular to the side BC, and we can find the slope of this line BC. Then we can, from that we can find the slope of AD. Now, slope of BC can be found by using the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So, minus 3 minus minus 1 upon minus 4 minus 6. So, it is 1 upon 5. So, and slope of AD and BC are perpendicular. So, the slope of AD will be negative reciprocal of this 1 upon 5. So, it is minus 5. Now, since the altitude AD passes through the point A to 5 and the slope minus 5, we will use the formula, that is point slope form. So, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, and substitute the values for x1 and y1 as 2 and 5, and m is minus 5. So, we will get y minus 5 is equal to minus 5x plus 10. 5x plus y minus 15 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the first altitude AD. Now, the equations of the remaining altitudes BE and CF can be found using the same steps. Now, that you can find yourself. So, equation of the altitude BE is 3x plus 4y minus 14 is equal to 0, and equation of the altitude CF is 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, question number 15. N ordered pair 3 minus 4 is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the line L. Find the equation of the line L. Now, we know that point ordered pair 3 minus 4 lies in the fourth quadrant because its y coordinate is negative and x coordinate is positive. Now, we will draw the line L and draw the perpendicular ON, where N is the foot of this perpendicular. Now, we can find the slope of ON by using 2-point form, that is x1 y1 can be taken as 0 0 and x2 y2 3 minus 4. Then the slope is minus y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is minus 4 minus 0 upon 3 minus 0, that is minus 4 upon 3. Since the line L is perpendicular to this ON, we know that the its negative reciprocal will be the slope of the line. So it is 3 upon 4. And it passes through the point 3 minus 4. So we will use the formula, that is point slope form of the equation, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So substituting the values, we will write y minus of minus 4 is equal to 3 upon 4 into x minus 3. And 4y, that is y plus 4 you will get, and then this 4 is taken to the LHS. So 4 into y plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. Opening these brackets, so 4y plus 16 is equal to 3x minus 9. So the equation is 3x minus 4y minus 25 is equal to 0. Now the next part is explained in the next video. Thank you.